In this video, I'll share with you 5 AI businesses that are making 7 figures right now, including one that was built in just 3 weeks using AI. Yes, you heard that right. One of these businesses was built in just 3 weeks. Then we'll break down exactly how the founders built the businesses, how they're making money, and most importantly, how you can start your own AI business in 2025. And if you want to join the new rich and grow your own $1 million digital business, then check the link in the description. Our first business is ExcelFormulaBot, an AI tool that turns plain English into Excel formulas. The idea came from a simple problem. Most people struggle with complex Excel formulas at work. So here's exactly how it works. You type something like, "What's the Excel formula to average column A?" And the AI instantly gives you the formula. The creator built this in just 3 weeks using a no-code tool called Bubble whilst on paternity leave. At first, they made it completely free, no login required, just a simple page with an input box and an output box. The site went viral after posting it on Reddit, getting thousands of visitors overnight. Within a month, 50,000 people had signed up to use the free version. Then they added a simple pricing plan, $6.99 per month or $75 a year for unlimited formula generations. The free version lets people try 5 formulas per month to test it out. In the first 3 months, they made $3,300 in monthly recurring revenue. But by 2024, they're making over $240,000 per year. The whole thing was built without writing a single line of code. And they spent almost nothing on the marketing. It spread through Reddit posts and TikTok videos. This shows you don't need to be a coding expert or have lots of funding to start your business. You just need to solve a common problem that millions of people face every single day. The second business is Vidby, an AI tool that translates videos into different languages automatically. It solves a huge problem for YouTubers and content creators who want to reach people worldwide. Here's the simple version of how it works. You upload your video to their website. The AI then translates everything that's said in that video, and it can then dub your video into 70 different languages. Their coolest part is their new voice cloning feature. You record yourself speaking for 5 minutes. The AI then uses your voice to dub the video in other languages. This means your videos can speak German, Spanish, or Chinese while still sounding exactly like you. Their pricing is tiered based on how much you use it, from $35 to $75 a month. And they also offer a free plan so anyone can try it out. They also have a pay per minute option starting at 90 cents per minute. For voice cloning, they charge $10 to create your digital voice. Then it's just $3 per minute to use that voice in other languages. The whole process is super fast and it can translate a 2-hour video in just a few minutes. They built this whole thing without any fancy technology, just using existing AI tools that anyone can access. This shows that you can take existing AI technology and turn it into a useful service people will pay for. The third business is Nova AI, an AI tool that helps you find exact scenes in any video instantly. Think of it like having a super smart assistant who watches all your videos and remembers everything in them. Here's how it works. You upload your videos to their platform. The AI watches every second and tags everything it sees: people, objects, emotions, actions, and every word spoken. So want to find a scene where someone is smiling next to a car at a sunset? Just type that in and it shows you those exact moments. It even creates automatic subtitles in different languages. And the AI can subtitle a 2-hour video in just a few minutes. They also have a feature that automatically creates short clips from longer videos. You tell it what kind of clips you want and it makes them for you. This saves hours of watching through footage to find the right scenes, and they offer a free version so you can try it out. All their pay plans come with a 20% discount for new users. The platform is already being used by big media companies to manage their video libraries. But the real value is for small creators and businesses who can't afford to spend hours searching through videos. You can use it with any video editing software that you already have. This is another example of taking AI technology and using it to solve a simple but time-consuming problem. Our third business is called Lensa, which is an AI job matching platform that helps people find the right jobs automatically. It started with a simple problem, which is most job sites just show you everything, even jobs you're not qualified for. Here's how it works. Job seekers upload their resume to the platform. The AI reads through your experience and skills, and then it matches you with jobs that actually fit your background. For companies posting jobs, it costs $25 per job listing. Then you can buy yearly packages like 100 job posts for $260. This makes it way cheaper than traditional job boards. The platform grew fast because it solved problems for both sides. Job seekers stop wasting time applying for jobs they won't get, and companies get better matches instead of hundreds of random applications. In just a few years, they got over 20 million registered users, and they're adding about 400,000 new users every single month. People submit around 170,000 resumes each month, and the platform sends out over 85 million job alerts monthly. The platform makes money in two ways: job posting fees and subscription plans. This shows how taking something frustrating, like job hunting, and making it simpler with AI can turn into a huge business. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, just make an existing process easier and more accurate. So what ideas can you take from these examples to start something for yourself in 2025? First, all of them started by fixing everyday problems that people actually have. The Excel tool helps people who struggle with formulas. The design tool helps people who can't afford expensive designers. The video translation service helps creators reach global audiences. And the video search tool saves hours of watching footage. The job platform makes finding work less frustrating. None of them tried to build something overly complicated. They each started with one simple service that worked well. Look at the Excel tool. It started as just 2 boxes on a web page. And the video translation tool began by just doing basic translations. Most of them started with free versions to get people trying out their product. Then they added paid features once users saw how valuable the service was. They didn't spend money on fancy marketing either. The Excel tool grew through Reddit posts and TikTok videos. The design tool spread by letting people try it for free. The key is finding something that annoys people enough that they'll pay to make it easier. Then use AI to make that task faster, cheaper, or simpler than what exists currently. Start small, get real feedback from users, and grow based on what they tell you that they need. You don't need coding skills either. Most of these were built with tools that anyone can use. And you don't need lots of money. Several started with less than $100. Just pick one problem, use AI to solve it well, and make it easy for people to try out your solution. So let me know if you have any questions down below. And if you want to build and sell your own $1 million business powered by AI, then visit thenewrich.com. Also, stay up to date on the fastest way to make money with AI. Join our free New Rich Telegram channel in the link below. And I'll see you in the next video.